People, let's continue doing some more C programs related to arithmetic operators. This time we are going to find out the area of something. Let's say you want to find out the area of rectangle, triangle, or circle. Let's see how to do that. So again, here the most important things, you are just learning how to use arithmetic operators. So of course you remember our arithmetic operators are plus, then we have arithmetic minus, then we have multiplication, division, and modulus. These are the symbols basically we are using in arithmetic operator. Okay, so most of the formulas to find out something, you will be using these operators. So the first one, we can start with this rectangle. So we will see how to find out the area of rectangle. Before even finding out something, you need to know the formula of that. So the area of rectangle formula is here. Area of rectangle, you already know that. We are going to use length multiply with width. That's all. Okay, so if we have the value of these two inputs, we can find out the area of rectangle, right? So let's see, let's create our programs. We are going to start with, as usual, hash include. Let's continue with that, and then we're going to go with studio.h, and then we're going to use integer main function. Again, next time I will already have these things because I don't need to explain to you. You already know how to use these things, right? And in the end, I will just put return 0. There you go. Now let's see whether anything wrong here. Just to put there should not be any space here. Okay, so first of all, we are going to find out the area of rectangle, and if you see the formula here, we need length and width, and also in order to have the total calculation or the result, we will need another variable. Let's call it area. So we need to define few variables here. Now you can use integer length here, and then width, and also the same for area. You can create 3 variable with the data type integer, but sometimes you might have floating point values as well. So the safest thing will be here using floating data type. All right, and now we can ask the user to give us the value for length and width so that we can find out the the area of this rectangle. Okay, so let's do that. Here I'm going to ask the user, so that's why I need printf. I'm going to ask enter length. So here enter length, and the user will give us the length. So in this case we need to receive it, and for that we have the scanf function to get the user input. We have the value, the data type for this length and width is floating point, so that's why we need to use %f here. So let's continue with that, %f, and then here I'm going to use ampersand symbol, and then the variable name where the value will be stored. So in this case, it's going to be length. All right, then let's just copy paste few times because it's going to save our time. Here I'm going to put width, and then I need to assign this value to the variable called width. And now that we have the inputs, we can find out the output, or we can do the calculation. So let's do the calculation here. I'm going to say area equal and then length into width. That's all, and that should be all for now. We can now print out the result. So let's do that. Here I'm going to print out, and then we can say area of rectangle, in this case rectangle, and then let's show it like a little bit a formatted way. So I'm going to use %2f, and then I'm going to use new line, and in the end we need to print out the value of area. That's why I need to give the variable name here. That should be all for now. So let's run this program and let's see what's the output we are getting here. So I'm going to run it. I can run it from here as well. So let's do that. I'm running the program, and it has created some of the file that necessary in order to run. Let's do that. It's running. So here I have the the instruction that I need to give some length. So I'm giving length, let's say here 10, and give some width, let's say 5. So 10 into 5 will be 50. Area of rectangle is 50 here. We tested everything is working perfectly. Let's continue with the second one. This time we're going to find out the area of triangle. Again, it's going to be super easy, and I'm sure you know how to do this. So basically, first of all, we need the formula. But before even doing that, I will just clear this part so that you can see everything real well. And I'm also going to close the terminal. So here I'm going to write the formula for area of triangle. Let's do that real quick. Here we need 2 things, basically base and height. And this should be multiplied with half. So instead of just writing like this half, you can do that for sure. And then you can of course multiply with base and height. This is something we can do, but we'll see what happens if we do it like this. Okay, let's continue. First of all, we need 2 variables called base and height, and also in order to store the result, we need also the area as well. So here we have area already. I'm going to convert this one for area of triangle. So I will change the name of the variable here. It's going to be base. here, and then we will use height here. Let's continue doing that. And in this case, I'm going to ask the user to give me vase. So let's just copy and paste real quick here. And here I'm going to change into height. Let's do this one as well here, height. Okay. Now, in order to calculate the result, we need to multiply with half. So let's do that here, half, and then we're going to multiply with base and height. That's all. Let's continue. Base and then height. All right. And here I'm going to change that word here. It's going to be triangle this time. So triangle. That should be all. Now let's see if we run this program and what happened. Remember, I'm just keeping half here. So if I run this program again one more time, it is asking for me to give the base. So the base will be, let's say, 10. And the height is going to be 5. So 10 into 5 will be 50. And then if you divided 50 by 2, it will be 25. But again, hey, we're not getting the expected result. And this is why happening because, you know, if you divide an integer number with integer, you will get always the integer. So what's basically happening here, let me show you real quick. Let me just go a little bit down here so that I can see what basically happening here. So we are dividing 1 with 2. So let me just keep it like this. Again, it cannot be divided even 0 times. 2 into 0 will be 0 here. And the remainder will be 1. So when we divide 1 by 2, we are getting the quotient, this one, so 0. And then what basically happening here, 0 into 10 into 5. So the total output will be 0 anyway, right? So what basically we're looking for here 0.5, isn't it? Now, if we want to get that floating point value, at least one of these needs to be into, converted into floating point number. So what can we do here? We can say 1.0. So this is now floating. And if you divide a floating point number with integer by the integer number, you will always get the floating point number. So even this one can be floating point or this one can be floating point. It's completely fine. Or either way, you can do typecasting here. You could say float, and that will give us the perfect result. Even if you do not want to go through this, you know already 1 divided by 2 will be 0.5. So you can just write 0.5. So there are quite many solutions here. Now let's run this program again and let's see what happens if we run this. So 10 and then 5, and again, we're not getting the right result. Why is that? Because I need to run it again. So let me just run it real quick. And this time if I give 10 and 5, let's see what happened. This time I'm getting the perfect result, 25. So hopefully things are making sense. Now, I will give you a task in the next lesson. You are going to find out the area of circle. Let's continue with that.